Welcome to Borderdrip USA, your trusted source for immigration news. In this video, we'll talk about why green card holders must apply for U.S. citizenship now. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security, DHS, has announced a new Interim Final Rule, IFR, set to take effect in April 2025. This rule significantly increases compliance and documentation requirements for non-citizens, including lawful permanent residents, LPRs. With stricter regulations, higher legal risks, and potential deportation threats, green card holders must act immediately to secure their future by applying for U.S. citizenship. New compliance burdens for green card holders. Under the IFR, all non-citizens residing in the U.S. for more than 30 days must register their presence and provide fingerprints. Green card holders face additional obligations, including mandatory proof of legal status. LPRs aged 18 and older must always carry proof of their legal status. Failure to do so could result in fines up to $5,000 or imprisonment for up to 30 days. Address change notifications. LPRs must report any address changes to DHS within 10 days. Non-compliance could lead to fines or other legal consequences. Regular compliance checks. Green card holders may be subject to random compliance audits to ensure they meet all documentation requirements. Increased scrutiny at ports of entry. Even with a valid green card, LPRs may face more rigorous questioning when re-entering the U.S., further complicating international travel. These regulations place additional bureaucratic burdens on green card holders, while U.S. citizens remain exempt. Harsh penalties for non-compliance. Failure to follow the new requirements could lead to serious legal consequences, such as failure to register or provide fingerprints. LPRs who do not comply could face fines of up to $5,000 and imprisonment for up to 180 days. Proof of compliance is mandatory. If stopped by law enforcement, green card holders must present documentation. Failure to do so could result in misdemeanor charges. Failure to report an address change. Not updating DHS within the required timeframe could result in fines of $5,000 and up to 30 days in jail. Deportation proceedings for repeat offenders. Continued noncompliance with registration requirements could place an LPR at risk of removal proceedings. With these heightened legal risks, obtaining U.S. citizenship is the best way for green card holders to safeguard their future. Deportation risks for minor infractions. One of the most concerning aspects of the IFR is the possibility of deportation for small administrative mistakes. Simple paperwork errors, such as missing an address update, could trigger removal proceedings. Even minor infractions, such as failing to carry proof of legal status during a routine traffic stop, could have severe consequences. Additionally, LPRs with past minor offenses may face increased scrutiny under the new rule, potentially leading to the reopening of old cases and heightened risk of deportation. Unlike green card holders, U.S. citizens are not at risk of deportation due to registration infractions, making naturalization the safest option. The uncertainty of future immigration policies. Immigration laws are subject to change, and future regulations may make it even harder to obtain U.S. citizenship. Potential obstacles include higher application fees. Future policies could significantly raise naturalization costs. Longer processing times. Extended wait times could make obtaining citizenship a lengthy process. Stricter eligibility requirements. More restrictive policies may limit LPR's ability to naturalize. Changes to good moral character rules. Future policies may introduce stricter requirements for proving good moral character, making the naturalization process even more difficult. Possible green card revalidation requirements. Some immigration experts warn that additional steps may be introduced to periodically revalidate permanent residency, adding another layer of complexity and risk for LPRs. Applying for citizenship now helps green card holders avoid these potential complications and secure their legal rights. Why U.S. citizenship is the best choice. Becoming a U.S. citizen offers several significant advantages over maintaining green card status. No registration requirements. Citizens do not have to register their presence, provide fingerprints, or carry proof of registration. Protection from deportation. Unlike LPRs, citizens cannot be deported under normal circumstances. Freedom to travel. U.S. citizens can travel freely without concerns about re-entry restrictions. Expanded employment opportunities. Many government jobs and high-security positions are available exclusively to U.S. citizens. Access to federal benefits. Certain federal programs and benefits are reserved for citizens. Voting rights. U.S. citizens have the right to vote and influence future immigration policies. Sponsorship benefits. Citizens have more options for sponsoring family members for immigration benefits, making it easier to reunite with loved ones. Stronger financial stability. Some financial institutions offer better loan terms and credit options to U.S. citizens compared to LPRs, providing long-term financial advantages. The time to act is now. With stricter compliance requirements, harsh penalties, and unpredictable policy changes, green card holders should not delay their naturalization process. U.S. citizenship eliminates legal risks, reduces bureaucratic hurdles, and ensures long-term stability in the United States. Applying for citizenship is not just about avoiding risks, it's about securing opportunities. From employment to legal protections, becoming a U.S. citizen unlocks numerous benefits that green card holders simply do not have. Waiting could result in higher fees, longer processing times, and even stricter eligibility rules. The safest and smartest decision is to apply for U.S. citizenship now. Doing so provides protection, full legal rights, and peace of mind for the future. Stay informed with Borderdrip USA, your trusted source for U.S. immigration news. Thanks for watching.